What's up, guys? We are just leaving AutoZone. One of my daytime running lights went out, so I picked up a new bulb. And now we're off to Petsmart to get Uma a new collar, like I promised, for her birthday, since her birthday collar was too small for her giganticus dog. So yeah, we are off to Petsmart. Got to do all these chores before it gets too hot. Holy cow, it was like 97 degrees yesterday. I think it's going to be close to that again today too, so yeah, it's time to start figuring out when to get the heck out of here. I think in a couple days, I'm gone. Time to head north back to Canada. Woo! You want to go in the storeroom? Want to go pick out your new collar? Come on, let's go. Hold on. Helps if I have my wallet. You like those ropes? The big bar. Which one do you want, Uma? You want the pizza? Is that what you picked?
Sweet baby. Is that your toy?
Yes, it is.
Is that what you're after? Huh? Is that what you're after?
Or treats.
Okay, hold on. We got this.
Sit, Uma. Sit.
Sit. There you go. Sit. Good girl.
Good girl.
Here you are, son.
Oh, thank you. Good girl. You got your new collar on? You got your new toy? Yeah, are you happy? Alright, one more stop at Walmart and then we'll go back, okay? Alright, well I guess I got bigger issues going on here. I can't even get the hood open. Pulling on this and it doesn't release the hood latch. Oh boy, so now I got to search YouTube, I guess, and figure out how to get this hood open. Yeehaw! Alright, I think it just got unseated the plastic bit at the bottom there. Because I got the hood open. Woohoo! That was scary. Didn't want to have to go to the dealership with a couple days left to go before I leave. Alright, now I can get to this headlight. Alright, well I threw some WD-40 in there. I'm going to close the latch and see if I can get it to open without a problem. Let's see. Alright, well I'm glad that was somewhat of an easy fix. Now I can do the headlight. It's just a daytime running light. I got a notification on the instrument panel. You got your new toy, Uma? Yeah, it's so silly that you have to remove the whole headlight to change any bulb. And a couple pieces of trim. I also have these trim removal tools. They're good to use in case for getting some of the clips out. There we go. That one comes off easy. It's just held on by a couple of clips. This bottom one I think is busted and yeah, it just comes off. Some of the clips broke on it. There we go. Those two come off. And now you gotta remove 1, and 3 bolts. We'll be right back. Alright, so once you got the whole assembly out, here's the bulbs that you need. What are they? 7440. So yeah, the bulb is right there. So on the back of this, it would be this compartment that you open up. Just twist it as far as I remember. It comes out. And that should be it right there on that handle. So hopefully you just twist the handle and it should come out. It's just all blackened and charred if you can see that. Here, we'll put a new bulb in. Actually, let me get a glove first. You shouldn't touch that glass with the oils in your hands. Yes. No, do it. All right. That wasn't so bad. It takes longer to get the headlight assembly out than it does to replace the bulb. But anyway, we're done. Let's put her back together. All right, before I tighten everything back down again, I guess I better check to make sure the light works. If I can find the keyhole from over here. Can't remember if I have to have the engine on for the daytime running lights to work. Nope. And we're still not working. Alright, hopefully I got it this time. The connector seems to be a little loose. It's not working again. Damn it. Alright, just to prove to you that it's working when it's outside the headlight, every time I put it back in, it turns off. So, fingers crossed. Is it going to be working? Is it going to be working? Fuck. No. Alright, I don't know if you can see, but I put a little heat shrink, that blue stuff at the top and the bottom. Looks like some of the housing got melted along the way here. Something got too hot. But anyway, looks like it's in there nice and tight this time. Let's try and put it back in. Alright, it's in the headlight, it's working. And hopefully when I put it all back together, it'll still be working. Bolts are back in, we're still working. Woohoo! I love it when a 5-minute job turns into a 1-hour job. Holy cow. I guess my coffee isn't going to be warm anymore. And yeah, hope the hood latch still works. I should test that out again before I close it. Alright, well, while my hood's open, I guess I better check my oil levels. So I'm leaving in a couple days. Coolant level's good, I can see that. Oil's fine. Still nice and clean looking. Beautiful. Alright, time to close the lid. Hood. Alright, let's see if she opens again. Nice. Beautiful thing. Alright. Another job complete. Alrighty, I hope the headlight holds up for a little bit. But yeah, if you're watching this video on the Sunday that it came out, it's probably the day that I'm heading back north. So if there are any other BC, Washington, Oregon residents that are taking a different route home other than Highway 5, let me know. I'd like to take a different route home. I'm probably not going back to Revelstoke right away. I'm probably going to Vancouver Island just for the temperatures. I think it's still too cold in Revelstoke, or the last time I looked, but there's still like negative temperatures at night, so I don't want anything to freeze, obviously. So yeah, if you're going that way, let me know which way you're going. All right, guys. I think I know a good way to finish off the night. It was a little frustrating working on the car today. I thought that was going to be a super easy job. But anyway, Uma had a good morning getting all her new stuff. She loves her new ball. But I found a good way to relax, and that is to do this. Well, I guess that's it for this season in the U.S. Gonna head home in a couple days, back to Canada. And this is probably the last time I'll be swimming for a couple of months anyway. Kind of sad. Back to cold temperatures, rainy temperatures. Oh boy. Anyhow, that's it for this week, guys. If you haven't already subscribed, we really appreciate it. And we'll see you guys next time. Take care, guys. Bye.